Today we are going to discuss about certain properties of fluid. Now as you know that what is a fluid? Fluid is a substance which can flow from one place to another due to the fact that the intermolecular attraction forces or the resistance between the particles of the molecules of a fluid is very less, so that it can easily move from one place to another place. This fluid has some distinct characteristics other than solid. So one of the major characteristics or properties of a fluid is density. Sometimes this density is also termed as mass density or specific mass of the fluid. This density is denoted by the Greek letter rho, and simply the density is the mass of a given fluid under unit volume. So density is given by mass by volume, and its CGS unit is gram per centimeter cube and SI unit is kg per meter cube. And if you want to transfer the unit from CGS to SI, you have to multiply by 1000. According to the change in the density of a fluid, the fluid can be classified in two groups. One is compressible fluid, another is incompressible fluid. Now, before going to this compressible and incompressible fluid, I would like to tell you that this density depends on two factors. One is temperature and another is pressure. Because this density, the term mass is fixed. According to the conservation of law of mass, we know that the mass of a substance, of a given substance, is always same. It cannot be changed or it cannot be destroyed. But that volume can be changed by either temperature or pressure. So the density of any substance can be changed by the increase or decrease of temperature and pressure. If the density of any fluid can be changed easily, it is termed as compressible fluid, and if the density of a fluid cannot be changed very easily, it is termed as incompressible fluid. Now our second property of fluid is specific volume. What is specific volume? It is simply the reciprocal of the density. So 1 by density is called specific volume. So it will be volume by mass. So unit will be cc per gram and meter cube per kg. Now our third property is the specific weight. It is denoted by the letter gamma. What is that? So specific weight is weight by volume. So density is mass by volume. Specific weight is weight by volume, that is W by V, that is the weight of any fluid per unit volume is called specific weight. So W by V, so what is W? Mass into G, and what is V? Volume will be mass by density, so M by rho. So ultimately specific weight gamma, it will be rho into G. So what is the unit? Dyne per cc, Newton per meter cube. This change in the specific weight, it can be also be changed like density, and it depends on two things, density and acceleration due to gravity, small g. So small g can be changed according to the altitude, according to the position, and the change in density can be done by either change in temperature or by change in pressure. So change in specific weight can be done by change in acceleration due to gravity or by change in density of the liquid. Next, number 4 properties of fluid is specific gravity. This is very important property of liquid. Specific gravity is the ratio of the specific weight of a liquid to the specific weight of water at 4 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature is very important because the specific weight of water at 4 degrees Celsius is near to 1, and this specific gravity, it is the ratio of two same quantities, specific weight by specific weight, so it is a unit less quantity. Next, physical property or properties of fluid is compressibility. Now before going to compressibility, you want to know that what is a bulk modulus. Bulk modulus is the change of pressure by change of volume to the original volume. This bulk modulus, the reciprocal of that bulk modulus is called the compressibility. And last properties of fluid is vapor pressure. This vapor pressure, what is the vapor pressure? We know that if a liquid or fluid is held at room temperature, the upper surface of the liquid or fluid becomes vapor, and that vapor will exert certain amount of pressure to the surface of the liquid. That pressure, that partial pressure is called the vapor pressure of the liquid. So in this container, if some vapor of the liquid exists, that vapor of the liquid will exert certain amount of partial pressure to the liquid as well as the wall of the container. That partial pressure is called the vapor pressure of the liquid.